Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a portable hand warmer that is also a power bank. And you guys are currently watching Crew. Today's episode, we're taking a closer look at a rechargeable hand warmer from the company Tote-Defy. And the great thing about this is you can also use it as a portable battery bank because the battery that actually comes inside of this hand warmer is 5,200 milliamps. But anyways, we're going to test this out. We're going to see how it performs and see how the functionalities it has later on in this video. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if you want to get updates or alerts about, whenever we upload onto this channel. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and then also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in some sort of product like this. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product, get more detailed specifications about it, that kind of stuff will be posted down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this exact product. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So you guys can see the overall packaging is very minimalistic, doesn't take up a lot of space, but we're going to move this over to a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. So on the front of the box, it just has the company's name right there. It just says rechargeable hand warmer with a visual representation of the hand warmer itself. And on the back side, there is a list of specifications and details if you guys want to take a pause and look at that information. So what I'm going to do is actually unbox this, and you gotta need to, pull this out. And this box should kind of just open up like this. Kind of have to shake it open a little bit. And you guys can see we're instantly greeted with all the contents of the box. So we do get included with a user manual, and this user manual will just give you guys more specific details and parameters of this hand warmer. And obviously you guys can see the hand warmer is right here off to the side. But before we actually take a look at the hand warmer itself, why don't we take a look at the different accessories that they included. So it looks like inside this little cardboard compartment, we do get included with a micro USB to USB-A cable, and this will be used to actually charge up your hand warmer when it goes low. And this hand warmer, let me tell you guys, with 5,200 milliamps of juice inside the battery, this is going to last you for a really long time. And the benefit is it's also a portable battery bank, so you can actually charge up your phones or devices through this hand warmer if you don't want to use it to heat up your hands. But now let's actually take a look at the hand warmer, because that is the last remaining thing in the packaging. And you guys can see this one, it has a very nice color to it. This one is actually green, and you guys can see the overall build and construction looks really nice and intriguing. And you guys can see it's a very simple design. We have a digital screen right here in the front. On the top, we have our USB port that we need to utilize if you want to charge up your phones or devices. On the side, we have our micro USB port that we need to utilize when charging up this hand warmer. And then on the side, we actually have our power button to actually turn this hand warmer on. But why don't we actually proceed over to our testing and demonstration portion of the video, where we actually test out this hand warmer and see how it actually performs. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is actually power this on. We're going to see if it has any juice, and then we're going to test out all the different temperatures you can set it to. So let me actually power this on. You just have to hold down the power button, which is on this side. And you guys can see right now we currently have it at the 42 degrees Celsius setting. And this is actually getting really hot. It's getting very nice and comfortable. As of now, it's not extremely hot because this is in the, the highest setting you can actually set this up to. Like I mentioned, this can go up to, I believe, 52 degrees Celsius. So we can actually raise this up. And why don't we actually do that? Let me click this button again on the side. And you guys can see this is 47 degrees Celsius. This is a little bit more warmer than the previous mode that we had it at. And yeah, it's actually heating up my hand. And then there's one more mode we can test out, and that's the 52 degrees Celsius. So this one's actually the hottest you can actually get this hand warmer to. And with this hand warmer, I did forget to mention both sides are actually being heated up. But now, why don't we switch it back to the power mode. You guys can see right now we currently have about 77% of the battery left. And why don't I actually bring a cable and actually try to plug in my phone to see if it can actually charge up my phone. So I have my phone right here. We're gonna plug this phone in with this cable. And what I'm gonna do is actually set this down right here. Swipe out of my notifications. We're gonna plug this in to my phone, just like so. And now we're gonna plug this into this. Make sure you press it and power it on. I'm gonna plug it in, and if it charges, we should see an animation. And you guys can see it is currently charging up my phone. So the benefit of having this is you can use it as a portable battery bank, especially like I mentioned, in the winter time, it's really important to keep things charged and ready to go, because in an event of, power outages or you being stranded out, in the cold or somewhere in the middle of nowhere, you can utilize this product to not only heat up your hands, but to also charge up your devices to, get you hopefully out of that situation you're in. But overall, it does a fantastic job. You guys saw it charges up my phone really nicely, and it has about 5,200 milliamps of battery, especially if you have it at fully charged at 100%. So you can definitely use this to charge most phones one time, maybe 1.5 times, depending on your battery capacity of your phone. But I think you guys kind of get the point. So what we're going to do now is actually proceed to our final opinions and remarks and end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this hand warmer that's rechargeable and a portable battery bank from the company Tiltify? Well, it's a fantastic product. It does what it's, specified. It does what it's supposed to do. And, the benefit of having something like this is not only does it give your hands instant relief in the cold, you can also use it to charge up your devices like I just showed you guys. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. And if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and then also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in some sort of hand warmer portable battery bank. Also, if you're a business or company wanting to potentially work with me, my business inquiries email is careereliteyt@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if any of you guys need any assistance with this product, you guys can do so by contacting me through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, product information, specifications, and details will be posted down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this exact product that we reviewed today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making this video, and I hope to see you guys all on the next episode. Cruelly signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.